Okay. Well, one last thing. You mentioned a little bit about NetApp releasing a new product shortly after Microsoft's R2 release. Can you talk about some of the support that the NetApp product offered in terms of cluster shared volumes, how it's integrating with live migration, et cetera?
Yeah, so one of the things I was most impressed about when we started using it was that things like being able to connect to a cluster and have it automatically provision storage to all the different nodes, as well as cluster shared volumes, which is a new technology, and provision that to all the nodes as well, was pretty impressive. I think a lot of the tools that are coming out falling short of those kind of goals. They were just managing individual nodes. But when we start talking about clusters, that's really, people want to manage them all as one independent or one full thing. And so it helps prevent a lot of the mistakes we see where people connect one path on all the nodes, or they miss a path on just one node, which ends up resulting in outages and failures that are unexpected and ultimately reflect poorly on both the customer as well as ourselves and the storage partner. So it's always good when we can see the tools kind of help make them make their lives better.
What about the combination of some of the provisioning capabilities of System Center Virtual Machine Manager with some of the NetApp provisioning capabilities?
Yeah, so since NetApp has a PowerShell provider that the community has provided, it plugs right into the PowerShell that SCVM provides natively, so you can really develop an end-to-end script that you can run as many times as you want.
And have there been any surprises? Has there been anything in the years you've spent working with NetApp storage that surprised you in terms of capabilities or results that you've seen?
I think in general it's just been the consistency of evolution. We tend to see, especially in the larger companies, it's a couple features and then nothing for a while, and then some new features and then nothing for a while. Where from NetApp there's been a lot more of kind of a consistent, new features coming very regularly, new functionality coming fairly regularly, which is it's fun. It makes it more interesting, for sure.
And NetApp and Microsoft recently signed a 3-year strategic alliance agreement. Do you see that alliance agreement as changing some of the things that you're doing?
I think it just shows that it's supporting the things we're doing, right? We've already had an alliance with NetApp as well as many other storage partners. I think it just really backs that up and says that, shows that yes, we're going to continue to work together. We're going to continue to build solutions for customers. Because we've got a lot of joint customers, and we want to ensure that we continue to add joint customers.
Okay. So quickly to wrap this up, can you talk about just a quick high level what the benefit is of a complete virtualization solution that includes both Microsoft technologies and NetApp technologies on the storage side?
Well, I think if you look at the goal of virtualization, we want to improve consolidation, and we want to enable dynamic scenarios, right? We want to be able to move virtual machines from one data center to another data center. We want to be able to pack a lot of virtual machines on a single machine and save power and save resources. With a full Microsoft solution and NetApp storage, you can enable all of those things. You can fail virtual machines over from data center to data center. You can save resources with deduplication, core parking, power management, all of these things. You can do rapid provisioning. So when you get a complete solution, you're saving money, you're saving time, you're saving resources, you're more efficient, more agile. Basically, you can go focus on the business that you're in as opposed to managing virtualization.
Excellent. So this was Taylor Brown of Microsoft. I'm Freya Berg for NetApp. Thanks so much. Excellent. I'm free so much of Microsoft. Thank you, Berg, for now. Taylor Brown. I'm free so much of Microsoft. Of Microsoft. I'm free. Thank you, Berg, for now. So much. Taylor Brown of Microsoft. I'm free. Thank you, Berg, for now. So much. Taylor Brown of Microsoft. Thank you, Microsoft. I'm free. Taylor Berg for now. Microsoft. I'm free with Microsoft. Thank you, Berg, for now.
Things.
Berg for now. Thank you, Microsoft. I'm free.
Things. Things.
I'm free with Microsoft. Thank you, Berg, for now.
Things. 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 Things.
Thank you, Microsoft. I'm free of Berg for now.
Things.
Free of Berg for now. I'm free with Microsoft.
Things.
With Microsoft. I'm free. Thank you, Berg, for now.
Things. Things.
Thanks.
Things.
I'm free. Thank you, Microsoft. Berg for now. So much. Taylor Broft. I'm free. Thank you, Microsoft. Berg for now. So much. Taylor Broft. I'm free.
Things.
Microsoft. I'm free. Thanks, Taylor Berg for now. So much. Microsoft. I'm free. Thanks, Taylor Berg for now. So much. Microsoft. I'm free. Thanks, Taylor Berg for now. So much. Microsoft. I'm free. Thanks, Taylor Berg.
Things.
Thanks, Taylor Broft. I'm free with Microsoft. Berg for now. So much. Thanks, Taylor Broft. I'm free with Microsoft. Berg for now. So much. Thanks, Taylor Broft. I'm free with Microsoft. Berg for now. So much. Thanks, Taylor Broft. I'm free with Microsoft. Berg for now. So much. Thanks, Taylor Broft. I'm free with Microsoft. Berg for now. So much.
Things.
Microsoft. So much. I'm free. Thank you, Berg, for now. Taylor Berg, Microsoft. So much. I'm free. Thank you, Berg, for now. Taylor Berg, Microsoft. So much. I'm free. Thank you, Berg, for now. Taylor Berg, Microsoft. So much. I'm free. Thank you, Berg, for now. Taylor Berg, Microsoft. So much. I'm free. Thank you, Berg, for now. Taylor Berg, Microsoft. So much. I'm free. Thank you, Berg, for now. Taylor Berg, Microsoft. So much. I'm free. Thank you, Berg, for now. Taylor Berg, Microsoft.
Things.
Taylor Berg, Microsoft. Thank you. I'm free, Berg, for now.
Things.
I'm free. Thank you, Microsoft. Berg for now. So much. Taylor Berg. I'm free. Thank you, Microsoft.
Things. Things.
Microsoft. Thank you. I'm free. Taylor Berg for now.
Things.
I'm free. Berg for now. Thank you, Microsoft. Taylor Berg.
Things.
Microsoft. Thank you. I'm free. Taylor Berg for now.
Things.
I'm free. Berg for now. Thank you, Microsoft. Taylor Brown. So much. I'm free. Berg for now. Thank you
Things.
so much. I'm free.
Things.
Thank you. I'm free. Microsoft. Berg for now. So much. Taylor Brown. Thank you. I'm free. Microsoft. Berg for now. So much. Taylor Brown. Thank you. I'm free. Microsoft. Berg for now. So much. Taylor Brown. Thank you. I'm free. Microsoft. Berg for now.
Things. Things.
Microsoft. I'm free. Thank you, Berg, for now.
Things.
Berg for now. Thank you. I'm free. Microsoft.
Things.
I'm free. Microsoft. Thank you, Berg, for now. So much. Taylor Broft. I'm free. Microsoft. Thank you, Berg, for now. So much. Taylor Broft. I'm free.
Things.
Thank you. I'm free. Microsoft. Taylor Berg for now. So much. Thank you. I'm free. Microsoft.
Things. Things. Things.
Microsoft. I'm free. Thank you, Berg, for now.